It's a very tragic day for Maharashtra today. Ajit Pawar was known not just as the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, but as an able administrator. He joined politics in 1980s, went and rose from the ranks, became an MLA from Baramati, became an MLC, was the finance minister, was the irrigation minister, was the deputy chief minister, and he has implemented so many novel projects in the state, whether it's managing the finances effectively or leading right back in his early days as the NCP youth wing. So I think this kind of a trajectory is one in a million. And condolences to his entire family and to the constituency of Baramati, for which he fought and worked tirelessly. There are many veteran politicians, Sharad Pawarji and his legacy, one has known, but this is the biggest blow even for him because he was his so-called son. And as a neighbor of Ajit Pawar, I can only say that Devgiri and us were a wall away, but we all knew his practices of waking up at 6 in the morning, meeting with public. Even today, as we speak, he was engaged with public till 7:30, and 7:45 he left for Baramati.
Ma'am, the second question. From now, how do you see Maharashtra politics moving forward?
I don't think today is a day to discuss Maharashtra politics because Ajit Pawar's loss has been a huge loss to the whole country and the whole state. I mean, anyone who loses life at such a young age, born in 1959 and losing life in 2026, does show you that, 50 years of being in public service, this is a loss to Maharashtra and Baramati particularly. Having said that, it was always a triple engine Sarkar, and I'm sure this will be a big blow to the Honorable Chief Minister and my own leader, Eknathji Shinde, who has also shown deep sadness for the loss of Dada Ajit Pawar.
Thank you.